this is something I genuinely never thought I'd be doing. This is my first ever custom PC build. I've been an Apple user for years, MacBooks, iPhone, iPad, the whole ecosystem. So building a PC from scratch always felt intimidating. Now don't get me wrong, my first ever PC back in the day was a laptop that had an Intel i3 processor in it. I eventually saved up enough money and bought my first Mac a few years later, so at heart I did start in the Windows ecosystem. Anyway, fast forward to now, I finally decided to go for it. And for my first build, I partnered with DeepCool, who sent over the CH270 digital case, along with all the cooling and power components. Now, I've already built everything, so in this video, I want to walk you through the setup, talk about the case, and share what this experience was really like, especially coming from the Mac side. Let's quickly go through all the parts that make up this build. The case is the DeepCool CH270 digital WH. Compact, clean, and with a built-in digital display on the front. Cooling is handled by the DeepCool LQ360 WH-AIO, paired with a few FL12 fans for airflow. Power comes from the DeepCool PN850M power supply. And for the main components, we have an Asus RTX 5070 Ti, a B850M Aorus Elite motherboard, 64GB of Corsair Vengeance RAM, and a 2TB SSD. Now for a first build, this was definitely aiming high, but I wanted something that would take anything I would throw at it, and also something that would last a long time. I get asked all the time why I'd even bother with a PC when I already use Mac every day. For work, Macs are amazing, coding, editing, productivity, and they're super reliable. But there are still areas where a PC just makes more sense. Gaming is a big one. GPU heavy workloads too. Now this wasn't about replacing my Mac, it was about building something that complements it. And this was the part I was most nervous about. So handling a CPU for the first time where I would plug in all the cables and manage them so it was a clean build. It's completely different from unboxing just a laptop, but surprisingly the whole process was actually really enjoyable. The CH270 digital WH really helped here. For a compact case, there's plenty of room to work in, which matters a lot when you're new. Cable routing is clear, airflow is well thought out, and nothing felt awkward or forced. Now mounting the LQ360 AIO and installing the FL12 fans was straightforward. Everything just fit, which kept the stress levels pretty down. And one of the most important decisions in this build was the graphics card. Now from all the research I was doing, I know the graphics card is seriously important, so I went with the Asus RTX 5070 Ti, and honestly it's a perfect match for a compact build like this. You get serious performance without needing an oversized case or insane power requirements. I paired that with the Ryzen 7 9800X 3D. This setup handles modern games and demanding workloads effortlessly while still staying cool and quiet inside the CH270. It's powerful, efficient, and it fits the size and aesthetic of the build really well. Obviously I was going for a clean white build and I actually love how it turned out. So I've been testing it with a mix of games and the performance has been exactly what I was hoping for. So in games like Battlefield 6, everything ran buttery smooth, even during heavy action. And in Need for Speed, the visuals, motion, and responsiveness feel incredible. And this is where the PC really shines compared to a Mac. It's a completely different experience. And the best part is that the system stays cool and quiet, even during longer gaming sessions. Coming back to the case, the CH270 digital really ties everything together. The design is minimal and clean. The airflow works and the digital display gives you useful system info at a glance. I was also very impressed by the AIO and the data it gives you. Not to mention that if you wanted to rotate the case, you can easily detach the AIO because it's magnetic. The PN850M power supply made cable management easy, and the overall build just feels solid. For a first build, I couldn't have asked for a smoother experience. That first boot is always stressful, but seeing everything power on perfectly, that was a great feeling. So yeah, building my first PC was 100% worth it. It was a lot easier than I expected, way more fun than I expected, and the end result is a machine that fits perfectly into my setup. If you're a Mac user who's been curious about building a PC, or a Windows user who's looking to build their first PC, this kind of compact, well-designed case makes the jump much less intimidating, and the RTX 5070 Ti gives you serious power without going overboard, which is exactly what I wanted. Huge thanks to DeepCool for partnering with me on this build. The links are in the description if you want to check everything out, and let me know if you want a follow-up video, benchmarks, gaming tests, or how I'm using this alongside my Mac. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.